Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video to do, courtesy of PaMu Slide Mini Bluetooth True Wireless Charging. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. These are amazing earphones, guys. You will not be disappointed with this purchase at all. Great bass, amazing sound, clear. It's like a concert in your ear. But you guys will not be disappointed at all. Take these on the road with you. Take them to the gym, on your outdoor activities, workouts, pretty much anywhere. Might want to grab yourself a couple. Give one to your friend, your trainer. Christmas stocking stuffers be perfect for. This thing is one powerful little guy. This is a wireless charging base. Looks really sleek. Left, right, they go in there easily. There's the LED meter right there. Those 4 dots. But it comes with pretty good amount charge when it comes to your house. There's a USB it comes with. You could just slide that in to charge the base. There's a USB. It comes with a little travel pouch, which is really good. And there are the little guys right there. I had them on for about 2 hours now and was really impressed. I did a couple hip-hop songs, old school rock and roll. These are the earpieces that come with them for backup case these. But they felt really good in the ear. Now here's a little guy that comes with them. Tells about the ear tips. But the bass, the sound, I mean, I can't tell you guys more. I wish I could find a way to let you guys listen to it, but once you click that link down below, add it to your cart, check out, you will not be disappointed once you get these. I mean, lightweight, so much better than those AirPods. I got a few AirPods at home down in my basement, and I'm liking these a lot more just because how lightweight they are. And water resistance, IPX6. Let's see. Features Bluetooth chip, QCC 3020. 30 hours of playback on one charge. Amazing for these little guys. The sound is perfect. I already talked about the IPX6 water resistance, Type C, and wireless charge. Bluetooth was easy to set up. Just once you get it going, it is easy peasy, guys. This will pop up once you get your Bluetooth on. It's the PaMu Slide Mini. So if you guys are looking for an extra set or a brand new set, this is a perfect one. Like I said, it sounds amazing. The bass is great for like hip hop and pretty much anything you guys listen to. You guys will not be disappointed with this purchase. Works for iOS, Android, iPhone, anything with a Bluetooth you can connect it to. You'll be good to go. So definitely check these guys out. I'll have the link down below. Coming from PaMu Slide Mini. See, touch controls for easy operation, which is true. That's it on the, I think this one is one touch. How tiny they are, though. But yeah, you guys will not be disappointed with this purchase at all. Alright, guys, you guys be safe. Have a great night, and see you guys pretty soon.